始说中文了。
哇！慢慢说。
Hello， 大家好。
大家好。
我们今天要玩一个游戏 ，We're playing a game now。关于台湾，所以游戏规则呢，就是答对的人可以吃台湾的零食。噔噔噔噔，这是台湾的乖乖 ，and 这是台湾的可乐果。然后输的人呢，就会继续吃以色列的零食，跟台湾的零食很像。
It looks like bamba.
I know, it looks like bamba. And this is like Taiwanese version of the Bisley. You'll find out.
Yeah, wow,
yeah.
It's the same.
So you have time to study for a quiz.
Oh my god.
I have it.
Yeah, I have it as well.
I don't.
You're gonna have
Now
it.
you're gonna have it.
Okay. So ready? Right?
Yeah.
No.
Study, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first question, the first quiz. Okay, if you know the answer, just shout it out. Okay.
Wait, should I use it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Use it.
Oh,
wait.
okay.
Otherwise, we won't know the answers.
Okay.
Okay. So the first quiz. What's the time difference of Taiwan and Israel?
5 hours.
No, 7.
5.
What? I've been to Taiwan.
I'm interested about the bamba.
Oh, it's called guai guai.
Guai.
Guai is like, oh,
Guai
good
guai.
boy, guai.
Bye. Cheers, Ganbei.
Manmanchu.
It's sweet.
Ah,
Is it?
真的吗?
There.
Question number 2. What's the capital city of Taiwan?
Taipei.
Oh, come on. Susan, that's an easy one.
I didn't use it. Okay.
Which one do you want?
Okay.
I do want to try the bamba, but just because you already had that, I'm gonna try the Bisley.
Okay.
Kapara.
It's called 可乐果. 可乐果.
可乐果.
What do you?
可乐果.
你觉得怎么样？
可乐果.
Doyan, don't you? This is a bit lighter with the taste.
Question 3. What's the name of the Taiwanese currency?
Yuan.
No.
Bush.
Dollar. Chinese dollar.
不是
Taiwanese dollar.
不是
Give us a clue.
It starts with. It's inside. It's,
NCD.
oh, and what?
NW.
New Taiwanian dollar.
Yeah.
I think
NTD.
Zip was close.
And do you know what's the relation to
Of
shekels?
course I do.
To shekels. To shekels. What's 1 shekel to Taiwanese dollar? New Taiwanese dollar.
4.
No, 4 is for $1.
No, I don't know.
Well,
So for how much?
you
is-
know?
I think Ziv was close. I think she should try.
I
now.
think I should try as well.
She said
That's
dollar.
not the
She
rules,
just
but I'll give it to you. It's okay.
You're so
Which
kind.
one?
Yeah, which one do you?
Okay, I want
The Bisley?
I want sweet something.
The bamba?
Is it with milk?
Coconut milk. I think.
That makes sense.
You can feel it,
That,
yeah.
that's the sweet.
Oh, that's really nice.
Chocolate coco.
Yeah. So it's really funny. We have our own
Bamba
Baby. Bamba baby.
bamba baby. Yeah.
Oh, it's not-
yeah,
it's
this
not
one.
the same.
Yeah.
Question number 4 is more difficult, so I hope you all, I hope that you'll be able to find the answer. Okay, the question is, we just had a 2-day holiday, yesterday and the day before yesterday. What's the name of the festival?
Qing Ming. Come on. The Switching Toms.
Yeah, sweeping tones.
Sweeping Toms.
Qingming.
Qingmingjie.
Qingmingjie.
You want to try the Bisley?
Yeah.
I
谢谢你.
forgot to. Oh, I forgot that losers will eat the.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's really.
This is
Young.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright. The final question is, what does the plug look like in Taiwan?
What
The
is
what?
the what?
The plug. You know,
The
for
plug.
Oh.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
the red one.
AC AC 110 volts, 60 hertz
What does it look like?
with 2 pins.
Yeah.
How, can
No,
you
no.
describe the 2 pins? Is
Look
it
like
like
2
round or what?
Round
No,
or
it's
what?
Three
not round.
or
It's not
what?
round. It's square.
It's square and
Yeah,
with
I bet.
what
Let me
does
see
it
it,
look
let me
like?
see it, let me see it.
Middle, yeah.
No,
Can you
no, no,
draw
no,
it?
no,
Can you
no.
draw it?
It's
What
two
is it?
squares. It's two squares.
Can we call a friend?
It's not in that book.
No, I'm sorry.
No.
It said all the answers are here.
No.
Yes. This.
Oh.
Yes, two
Show
squares.
2 pins,
Two
I said.
squares.
It's not square. Square is like rectangle. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know English that good.
So the winner
Yeah, I tried the bamba
is.
now.
Oh, you haven't tried it?
No.
You know, in Israel, sometimes we like to combine them together to
Yeah,
have
let's
one
do it.
bite of
Yeah.
the both of them.
And that's a reason that like you have some snacks that have like also bamba and also biscuit and like all inside
Combined.
one
It's
Yeah.
like this.
What do you think about bamba? I mean,
I
Taiwanese
like it.
bamba.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you, Uri? You,
Not that much.
I like the coconut,
No.
the coconut milk. I like it.
I want to try those
Don't you like
together.
coconut?